Welcome to Study Loop.
This problem asks us to determine the value of speed of light given the data from Foucault experiment. We know that from Foucault experiment, the formula for speed of light is c is equals to 4r squared omega a over s multiplied by this quantity r plus b. We are given the following data. R is equals to 16 meters. This is the distance between fixed and rotating mirror. B is equals to 6 meters. This is the distance between the lens and rotating mirror. A is equals to 2 meters. This is the distance between source and lens. And S is equals to 0.7 millimeter. This is the given shift in image. And omega is equals to 356 revolution per second. And this is the angular speed. First, let us convert the shift in image from millimeter unit to meters. Then this is just equal to 7 times 10 raised to 4, negative 4 meters. For the angular speed, let us express this to rad second. So we have to multiply this quantity to 356. Now, let's get back to the equation for the speed of light. Inserting the given values we have, then solving this equation, the answer is 2.975 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So the speed of light using the given data from Foucault experiment, the answer is 2.975 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second.